Hi, it's Jacob here for another iPhone quick tip, and today I'm going to show you a really helpful new feature in Reminders that's part of iOS 26 and Apple Intelligence that will really help you save time and stay more organised. And if I help you by teaching you something new in this video, perhaps you can help me by subscribing to my channel and helping me grow a bit on YouTube. So up until now, there's been a smart feature in Reminders that helps auto-categorize shopping lists for you based on where the items we found in the shop, for example, dairy or breads or cereals, that sort of thing. But to do that with other lists that you have, for example, packing lists or to-do lists, you had to manually make groups and then drag and drop items into each one, which took ages. Well, now we can simply press the Options button in the top corner, and then we can use the Auto-Categorize button here. This will then take a moment or two to analyze the contents of your list, and it will predict, using Apple Intelligence, the best categories and the best category names for the items you've got. So here I've got a packing list for a trip to California, and as you can see, Apple Intelligence has grouped this for me into clothing, technology, toiletries, those sort of areas. I can still move things between the categories if I need to, and when I add a new reminder, it will auto-group it for me. Being able to quickly organise your reminders, especially when they're quite long and you've got lots of them, is a real time saver. And this Apple Intelligence feature is a really simple way of simplifying your reminders and better organising what you need to do. So, if you want some more quick tips, check out my channel down below and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.